Hey guys, Chris Camara here. Got another video. Today we have some lights for my grandma's van. The one burned out, so we're just gonna use these. I got some AUXBEAM LED lights. They have all these different kinds. But today we got 9007. I already opened them already, of course. But get them out of here. Right. Alright, so there we go. We got this connector here. It says what it is, 9007. There's a fan in there so it doesn't heat or get too hot and burn up the LEDs. I think this piece right here comes off. If you need it, there's a screw there. To fit the different cars. Then you got a sticker. You can put wherever. Directions, some books, crap in here. Here's the directions that are in like 10 different languages, which you don't really need. It's pretty simple. Some other book. That's it. So we'll take it outside, show you what's going on. Alright, so we got them installed here. As you can see, they're pretty bright. So, I just gotta get them angled right, and then be good to go. So these are the low beams, and we do the brights are a little weird, but they're a little brighter. I think I have to angle them a little bit, but that's what I'm going to work on. So I'll put the link in the description for these. And Chris Camaro signing off.